Want the best auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Brushy Creek area? If you are trying to find an auto body repair shop in Round Rock's Brushy Creek area, you've come to the right place. Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock, Texas Brushy Creek service, collision repair services. Quotes: simply entered to a minor car accident? We satisfaction ourselves on carrying one of the most varied selection of vehicle body automobile components in the industry, because we believe that our customers not need to bother with mosting likely to and boundless variety of various shops to obtain every one of their vehicle body component. Because without you there is no us to talk of, the customer comes initially in our publication. We have actually remained in business for 20 years in one form or another, so we have a globe's well worth of experience to impart on our customers. It is this substantial experience that establishes us in addition to everyone else. Our client service experts at Auto Body Car Parts.com have that same experience. Need to you have any issue with among your vehicle body automobile components? All you require to do is either call us straight at 1-855-579-0321 or email us and allow us know. At Auto Body Car Parts.com, the customer is our leading priority. After that, you can relax assured that we are not satisfied if you are not satisfied. To exhibit this, we provide a price suit guarantee. After that, all you have to do is call or email us to allow us know if you find any vehicle body component online from a respectable store. We will certainly look into the information that you have actually given, and if it is reputable, we will happily match that rival price, done in the name of giving you, the customer, with one of the most contentment feasible. With this account, you will certainly receive favoritism. Needs to an issue emerge with among your vehicle body automobile components that you purchased. Again, every one of this is done to give one of the most contentment feasible to each of our customers. Remember, we are here to assist you. Do not wait to call us for any factor, from questions about a details component to issues with an existing order. This is a page on Auto Body Shop in Round Rock, Brushy Creek. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.